You guys, look what I got. I got a gift in the mail from another homeschool mom YouTuber. I finally get to be part of a homeschool mom box swap. Years and years and years ago, when I wasn't a YouTuber, I actually enjoyed watching these videos and seeing all these other homeschool mom YouTubers connecting through sending gifts to one another. I don't know, there's something, what is it about it? Do you guys like it too? Because you feel like you're connecting with somebody through the screen and, oh, they know somebody else that I connect with. It's just a lot of fun. So I got to participate this year in the Homeschool Mom Fall Box Swap that is hosted by Leilani from Living with Eve and Anna from Just Making It Work. So thank you girls for hosting that. And at the end of the video, you're gonna actually see me kinda send my box to this other homeschool mama. So this is from Sarah from the Johnson crew. You guys, Sarah's really good at having fun and channel. She does homeschooling content, she does vlogging and stuff. She also is really good at making the special school days fun for her kids. She like specializes in the school parties. So I will link Sarah's channel below so you can check her out, but I'm so excited. I mean,
I like presents.
Oh my goodness, look at how cute. You guys, I'm telling you, like, so cute. You did way better than I did at packing my box. So this says it's fall and it has the verse from 1 Thessalonians, therefore encourage one another and build each other up just as in fact you are doing. Sarah, I love that. This is adorable. So my little card, let's see. Dear Rachel, I was so excited to draw your name in this box swap. You are such an amazing homeschool mom and I've so enjoyed getting to know you through your videos. You're always so genuine and share so much wisdom with those of us who have yet to reach that high school stage of homeschooling. Thank you for sharing your experience and your heart. I hope you enjoy all these gifts and have a wonderful fall. Sarah from the Johnson crew. Thank you, Sarah. I actually really love this gold foiling too. I'm thinking I need to cut this out and reuse it. Like, I am a former scrapbooker. Once I started homeschooling though, the scrapbooking kind of went to the wayside, but I keep telling myself one day when my kids are all grown up, I can get back to their scrapbooks. So cute. I don't have hardly any fall decorations either. I'm kind of like a Christmas kind of gal, so this is perfect. I love it. I love the little truck. And I really love buffalo check. It's like my favorite pattern too. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. Look at how she labeled all. I gotta show you this inside now that I've removed the top. Do you do this for all your gifts, Sarah? Like, is this how you wrap your Christmas presents too? This is awesome. Okay, so because you can never have enough of these when you're a homeschool mom. Friction pens! I love these. You guys, they're in my Homeschool Essentials Supply video because they're erasable. And all of mine went missing. It's like my kids stole them because they're erasable. And I love the colors. So thank you, Sarah, so much. I need these since I'm doing so much planning, more planning these days. Okay, to create a cozy homeschool morning. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. This candle is pumpkin praline. It smells awesome. My daughters especially, they love lighting the candles and putting them right in front of their little spots on their desk. So they're gonna be excited about this candle on the homeschool table. So thank you again. I love candles. Okay, to feel fun, feminine, and pretty. So cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm sorry you guys, like there's a million things in here. Okay, so here's like, what do you call this? It's like basket earrings. I love those. Those are so fun. I love earrings. See? These are awesome too. It's kind of like a basket too. Those are so cute, Sarah. I'm gonna have to like wear one of these in my next video. And then there's something in here too. Yay! I need one of these so badly. Like, this is the only short gold necklace that I have. I gotta put this on right now. And my almost teenage daughter, like she's gonna be a teenager next week, she keeps stealing all of my shorter necklaces because she wants them. My goodness. I love this. I love this. Now I want to take this one off. That is so cute. Thank you so much. I love it. Wow, that was a lot of stuff. Like in the peach, that was an awesome box. Look at all that. That was so thoughtful of you, Sarah. I love it all. I can't wait to light the candle. I will be wearing, this is Saturday, I will be wearing this to church tomorrow and figuring out, I don't know which of these earrings I'm going to wear next, but you're going to see them in one of my future videos because I love these fun earrings. So, who did I send my box to? I am getting ready to go mail my box. Let's see. To Wendy. I sent my box to Wendy at Plan Prep Pray. I just love her heart for the Lord. If you haven't checked out Wendy's channel, I will also link that one below. Wendy's got a variety of content on her channel, from homeschooling to cleaning to just creating routines and getting in the Word with the Lord. I tried to make it look all cute. I mean, it is supposed to be a fall themed box. Wendy, your box is coming. So I had a lot of fun shopping for Wendy, knowing that she has a new little guy on the way, and she just moved to Kansas, which is a much cooler weather climate than where she was before in Florida. So I was looking for something all over town that I wanted to get for her new little guy. I literally went store to store to store, every single store I could think of that would sell baby gear, looking for this one item. I thought,
This is a simple item.
it's so simple. It's just like a little add-in to this gift. Not a big deal. And every store I went to, they didn't have it. They didn't have it. They didn't have it. And I was like,
Okay, I just need to get this gift mailed then.
but then the next day I would think,
Oh, I should try this store.
didn't have it. Okay, I should get this gift mailed then. And then the next day I would
Like, oh, but I didn't try this store.
until finally I was also looking for the item gender neutral, because I didn't know what Wendy was having, a boy or a girl, and everything these days seems to be boy or girl. And so then she put out on YouTube gender reveal coming soon, and so I was like,
Okay, well, then I should wait until she does her gender reveal.
so if I find this item I can get for a boy or for a girl. So Wendy, I'm sorry that this got to you. Hopefully not too much later than you expected, but this one little thing, I don't know why I had such a hard time finding it. All right, Wendy, your package is on its way. That's actually gonna get there quicker than I thought, so I think I need to go get a coffee now. I will link Wendy's box swap video below so that you can see all the goodies that I got her. If you want to see another behind the scenes look at a YouTuber's life, check out this video. Funny stuff. All the things that we do to get videos out for you. Till next time, bye.